Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Huawei Mate 20 Pro against the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. These are easily the two best Android phones available right now. So it's going to be the Kirin 980 versus the Exynos 9810. Both phones have 6GB of RAM. Now with that being said, let's get started. Up first is the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It has a Quad HD screen. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the new Kirin 980 CPU and the Mani G76 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It has a Quad HD screen. It's on Android Oreo 8.1. It has the Exynos 9810 CPU and the Mani G72 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro leads by a massive 11 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management, you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So in round 2, surprisingly, it is a draw. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a quick look at the scores. In round 1, the Mate 20 Pro was just too fast for the Galaxy Note 9, it won by 11 points. In round 2, the Galaxy Note 9 did much better and it ended up being a draw. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I'm planning to get more phones including the Pixel 3 and the OnePlus 6T. So you will see speed tests and camera comparisons. So make sure you have that bell icon enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.